supporting the development of thinking skills using assistive technologies. An introduction to inspiration, a mind mapping tool.
Gary, there's an organisation in education called the EEF, the Education Endowment Foundation, and they've identified things that close the gap with young people who are perhaps behind age-related expectations. Some of the most effective strategies to close the gap are what are called metacognitive strategies. In other words, strategies that help a child to think. I'm so keen on metacognition because I think if we can help young people think, if we can actually bring thinking out of the internal mind of the learner into the classroom, help visualise thinking,
yes,
a lot of learners would benefit hugely from
absolutely.
it. Now, are there examples of assistive technology that can make thinking visible?
Well, I think one of the main things that can help with so many learners out there is what's known as mind mapping.
Oh, yes.
Now, mind mapping has been around for years, but it's just been underused. I think a lot of teachers, a lot of schools have just seen it as a piece of software that they cannot involve or incorporate into their classrooms. But they've got to realise with a learner being able to visually to see their ideas brings them out of that shell, that well that they're in, where they struggle to try to get their work down on text using a pen or by typing, but just by actually planning their ideas on screen, actually incorporates like some confidence into them to state, this is me, this is what I'm thinking. And then teachers can then see what the students are learning and how they are then going to be progressing with their work. I think mind mapping will be ideal. And I'm happy to show you one on the screen.
To see that.
Absolutely.
Used by millions of students, educators, and professionals globally, Inspiration is a trusted visual thinking tool, making it easy for users to visually break down a concept or process, create notes, capture knowledge from research, write essays and reports, and to support revision. Simple and intuitive, Inspiration allows you to rapidly create mind maps, concept maps, graphic organizers, outlines, and presentations with ease. It is so simple to use, it allows you to focus on the creative process. Inspiration's unique approach allows you to create visually engaging maps, combining visual cues such as images, symbols, and color with verbal cues such as keywords and phrases. Using the Rapid Fire tool, you can quickly capture and organize your ideas before you forget them. Add notes to expand on those ideas and add references. Plus, you can quickly drag and drop in supporting files for your project, embed them or link them directly. You'll have all your project resources easily accessible in one place. Want to specifically create a mind map? Inspiration has a dedicated mind map view as well. Ready to start the writing? Inspiration has a dedicated outlining tool. With one click, instantly transform your visual ideas into a written outline. Concepts and ideas are neatly organized with a clear prioritization of hierarchy. You can make edits, add notes, drag and drop sections, and hide and show sections. Additionally, you can see the images and symbols associated with those ideas in your diagram. Finally, when you are ready, you can quickly and effortlessly transfer your diagrams and outlines to Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, PDF, or as a graphics file. With Inspiration, it will help you to comprehend, create, and communicate knowledge successfully.